Hey guys, we're back with another update video on the Project ACURA. So today, what we're actually doing is painting the vehicle. This is something I've been waiting so long to do. I'm going to show you a couple updates of what we did previously off camera. We actually did underglow to the entire car. We put it up, put some up there, put it to the back. Apart from that, we just did a couple of cleaning and, you know, that's basically it. But today I'm excited. Right now I'm still masking up everything, but we're going to be painting the ACURA finally. We had a huge paint problem with this for a long time, and today we're finally going to fix it. All this up here is just going to be gone by the time we're done with it. What I want to do is a white all around, then I want red mirrors, red spoiler, and a black top. Don't know yet. About this front bumper, the other bumper still hasn't came yet. Shipping is weird with COVID, so I might just see what I can do with this, but I'm gonna just get the fender here, stop here, and then see if I really want to fix this afterward. But for now, this is what we're doing so far, just masking. I'm just gonna cut straight to the chase and straight to the video. And first we're gonna start by sanding everything. Types of paint I'm using. For the black, I'm using Rust-oleum gloss protective enamel. For the actual body of the car, I got Rust-oleum's turbo gloss protective enamel. I have satin protective enamel because the red's actually going to be a bit matte. So with that being said, we'll get to work. So we got done with, you know, just dry sanding it and wet sanding it, and now Jason's over here drying it off, and as soon as it's done drying, we can actually go ahead and start painting. After about a day of prepping, first coat, and a second day of second coat and secondary color, I finally got my results. Here is the finished product. Better looking than previously. I decided to go ahead and just paint this bumper temporarily until the other one gets here. I'll paint the other one too. Still have to do little minor you know, details. I got a bunch of wet spots, you know, I gotta, you know, deal with that. So what I'm gonna do is wet sand it with some 3000 grit. I have to wait the full 24 hours in order to do anything. I'll wait. But overall, I'm really happy with the end result. If you want to copy something like this, some tips I would lend you is get a respirator. No matter what, it is crucial. Tip number 2 is get a sander. One that could take 5-inch orbital disc. Oh, it's a godsend. But yeah, get an orbital sander, get a respirator when you decide to do this, and just take your time with masking. I'm a perfectionist, and I got a couple of things wrong in my mask. Mostly the weathering strips on the car are like what I got wrong. So overall, I'm really excited, or really happy for the results. Excited for what I'm going to do in the future to this. Next up, I got something real special coming, and it has to do with the exhaust. Alright, thanks for watching. See you.